So here again on the Freedom 39, my friend Julie's boat. I just put another engine in here. I haven't hooked it up yet, at least it sits in the engine bay. 3-cylinder Yanmar, 3GM or whatever, old style, good engine, very heavy. The engine that was previously in here got damaged because of saltwater intrusion. The boat got beached, heeled over, saltwater got in the engine, so the engine was shot. And the funniest part is the previous owner just had that motor installed. So this boat is somehow a bad omen when it comes to engines, because this is actually the 4th engine this boat ever has gotten so far. I believe originally outfitted with a Perkins 4108, then eventually got changed over to a Westerbeek 46, which is a Mitsubishi based 4-cylinder motor. That motor went bad due to backwash through the exhaust, because at one point in time didn't start, and well, make long story short, saltwater got into the cylinder heads, and that was it for that motor. And then the 3rd motor I didn't install, somebody else did, and then my friend Julie got the boat back after it was completely ruined again, and I just put this motor in. So well, as far as the rest of the boat, the interior is still in good shape. Yeah, still needs lots of cleaning, some woodwork, rebirthers, with water in, mildew and shit like this, and yeah, still needs some cleaning, varnishing, but not all that big of a deal. Main bathroom, head or whatever you want to call that fucking shit, still in good shape. Shower, what have you, and and so on and so forth. It's just what it is. Yeah, still has the flat panel TVs in there. Electric for the most part still worked. Pretty decent electric panel. That air conditioner, not a friend of those in-room air conditioners, but not my cup of tea. Don't work anyways. So yeah, so this has to still be wired up, hooked up, lined up, new motor mounts, what have you, and of course put a new propeller flange on there, and yeah, of course has to get aligned. And yeah, just a little quarter berth. That's where I was staying for the past 4 days, working on this engine. Nice and clean, cozy, not much room, but you know what, if you're tired, what the heck. And even has another little bathroom, which of course I didn't use because the boat is in the marina and we have all washing facilities and all that stuff. It's pretty decent. So alright, let's look at the outside, how it looks on the outside. Of course all dirty still. Yep, that's where I had the old engine sitting. The owner of the marina just helped me with a big crane to lift it off the boat. So yeah, that's it. This boat, like I said, Freedom 39, 2-mast schooner setup. Freestanding masts built out of carbon fiber. I don't know what to think about it, but some people like it. I personally do not, but everybody's different. So that little Zodiac life raft, I wonder if it still works. Maybe I should just throw in the water and see what happens. Better not. Julie may rip my head off if I do that. Yeah, needs lots of organizing on the deck, but so far it's not really too bad. Could be worse. Yep, that's it. Yeah, it's in this little marina here, very nice place in Bradenton. I believe it's Bradenton, yeah, I guess, or Sarasota. All the same to me. Yeah, nice people here, so nice place to hang out anyways. And yeah, I wanted to fly my drone to get some aerial shots of this area here, but I can't because there's the airport is too close, which that does not let you take off any drones, which is understandable. I'm not complaining. So, alright, that's it for now.